Need to calm down really fast? I have a quick tip for you. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. I'm going to show you how to trace triple warmer meridian backwards. Triple warmer is our fight, flight, freeze response. All we're going to do is take your right hand, place it on your left temple. You're going to move your hand above the ear, around the ear, down the neck, off the shoulder, around the elbow, and off of the ring finger. And you want to pluck that energy. You want to do that 2 more times. The slower you do it, the better. You can also do it with pressure. You can just apply pressure around the ear, down the neck, around the shoulder, around the elbow, all the way down the arm until you go off of your ring finger. Do the same thing on the other side. Take your left hand to your right temple, move it up above the ear, around the ear, down the neck, off the shoulder, around the elbow, and off of the ring finger, and pluck that energy. You can do this as often as you need to. It's a quick way to start relaxing, and overall it's soothing to your energies. Until next time, keep moving energies. Bye bye.